Embarking on a backpacking and hiking adventure through stunning landscapes can truly become a once-in-a-lifetime experience. However, the absence of essential gear and supplies can easily turn your journey into a disappointment. In this video, we're excited to present you with a selection of 7 must-have gadgets for hiking and backpacking to ensure you make the most of your outdoor adventure. Enjoy! If you're seeking a hassle-free tent setup for your camping trip, look no further than the Heimplanet Cave. With its innovative geodesic inflatable diamond grid structure, you can effortlessly have it up and ready in just a matter of minutes. Prepare to be astonished by its intuitive and straightforward setup process. Designed with durability in mind, the Heimplanet Cave features a robust 40D high-tenacity polyester that can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Moreover, its multi-chamber safety system and one-pump setup ensure that your Heimplanet Cave is a safe and secure haven away from home. Adding a touch of luxury to your camping experience, the star-shaped room configuration provides added comfort, while individual chambers offer essential stability. As you retire to bed, you'll undoubtedly appreciate the convenience and comfort that the Heimplanet Cave brings to your outdoor adventure. The goTele Xquad's essential gadget, a true game-changer for those who venture off the beaten path. This invaluable device ensures you never get lost or separated from your group, making it indispensable for any outdoor expedition. Equipped with the support of 4 distinct satellite networks, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, this wearable tracker is your reliable companion for staying on course. It not only keeps its users on track but also ensures every group member remains connected. What sets it apart are its real-time navigation and tracking capabilities, providing backpackers with constant awareness of each other's whereabouts. Furthermore, users can conveniently send short messages directly from this device. It's a game-changer for staying connected and secure in the great outdoors. Introducing the Leatherman Skeletool, a compact yet highly effective multi-tool designed for all your adventurous pursuits. Unlike most other multi-tools that come with unnecessary complications, the Skeletool offers simplicity and functionality. This versatile tool boasts 7 essential functions, including a 420HC knife, needle nose pliers, hard wire cutters, regular wire cutters, large bit drivers, and a handy carabiner. With these tools at your disposal, you can tackle quick fixes and tasks with ease. And here's a bonus: the Skeletool's carabiner can double as a bottle opener, a feature many consider an absolute must-have. The Mesqool camping lantern transcends its role as a mere light source for your outdoor adventures. It's a concealed lifesaver. Imagine finding yourself lost in the wilderness with a drained phone battery. Thanks to the Mesqool camping lantern, such worries become a thing of the past. This lantern boasts a substantial built-in battery capacity and a convenient USB port, ensuring you can charge your phone in emergency situations. What's more, it offers exceptional versatility when it comes to recharging. Whether you choose the included USB cable or the dynamo crank in case of power outages or extreme weather conditions, you'll always have a reliable power source. With its 360-degree coverage from a powerful 200-lumen bulb and an impressive 8-hour runtime, the Mesqool camping lantern illuminates your campsite brilliantly. It even offers low-light settings to conserve energy. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry and hang wherever you need it. So, the next time you embark on a camping adventure, make sure to bring along the dependable Mesqool camping lantern, and you'll never find yourself in the dark again. Introducing the Camelbak Crux, an adaptable and conveniently portable water reservoir designed to keep everyone well hydrated during their backpacking adventures. This bladder showcases a new and innovative design, featuring a handle for effortless refilling and an impressive capacity that ensures you have approximately 20% more water with every step. What truly sets the Camelbak Crux apart is its HydroGuard technology, effectively preventing the growth of any harmful bacteria, thus maintaining the safety and purity of your drinking water. Most intriguingly, the big bite valve on this reservoir self-seals after every sip, eliminating the risk of annoying drips and ensuring a hassle-free hydration experience. On a day filled with hiking and camping adventures, what could be more inviting than a rejuvenating shower? This is where the Ridgewinder steps in, offering the perfect solution for outdoor bathing. Equipped with a refreshing rainfall shower head, the Ridgewinder delivers a complete camping shower experience that will leave you feeling revitalized and invigorated. What sets it apart is its built-in on-off functionality within the shower head, ensuring that not a drop of water is wasted, thus making it an eco-friendly choice. The camping shower conveniently fits into a 10-liter dry bag, making it an effortless and stress-free addition to your outdoor gear. Plus, with up to 60 minutes of runtime on its rechargeable 2200 mAh battery, you'll have more than enough power for multiple showers, ensuring you stay fresh and comfortable throughout your camping journey. Introducing Sea to Summit Cookware, designed to delight backpackers with mouth-watering meals during their wilderness excursions. This cookware collection offers various models, each distinguished by its unique features, allowing users to select the perfect fit for their needs. Crafted from a blend of lightweight aluminum and heat-resistant silicone, these cooking pots are exceptionally light and conveniently collapsible, effortlessly fitting into any backpack. So, you can carry them with ease and embark on your backpacking adventure, knowing you'll have the perfect cookware to create memorable meals along the way. So this concludes our list of the 7 ultimate gear and gadgets for hiking and backpacking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.